Good morning students. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see about some science practicals. Good morning students. Today we are going to see the experiment number 14, that is propagation of light. This experiment is based on the chapter number 14, that is light and formation of shadows. So what is the aim of the experiment? To prove that light travels in a straight line. We have to prove that light travels in a straight line. For that, here we use one piece of pipe. Here I take the piece of card sheet, then candle, matchbox or stand. Now see, first I am going to take this piece of or round of card sheet in the direction of the flame. See what is the position? It is in a straight line. Now I am going to bend this piece of or round of a card sheet. Now I am unable to see the flame. But again, if I keep in the straight position, I am able to see the flame of the candle. So from this experiment, what we conclude that the light travel in a straight line. Understood everyone? So in that, what we observe here, see, when the pipe is in a straight, the flame of the candle is visible. When the pipe is in a straight, the flame of the candle is visible. But when we bend it, the candle is not visible. So what we conclude? This shows that light travel in a straight line. This shows that light travel in a straight line. Stop. So see, when it is in a straight line, the flame of the candle is visible, and when we bend it, see now, when we bend now the flame of the candle is not visible. Okay. So everyone complete this experiment in your journal properly. Now we are going to see the experiment number 16, that is magnetic material. This experiment is based on the lesson number 15, that is fun with magnet. So what is the aim of the experiment? To separate magnetic material from a given mixture. See here, for that here we use one glass dish. In that having the mixture of sand, then sawdust, piece. Here we use one glass dish. In that having the mixture of sand, then sawdust, pieces of paper are there and some pins are there. Okay. So here we use this apparatus. Now what is the procedure? Here I take one bar magnet also. It is a bar magnet. Now I am rotating this bar magnet on this mixture. See here what happened now. As we rotate this bar magnet on this mixture, see which things are here attracted to that magnet. See here, only the iron pins are get attracted towards that bar magnet. Though here pieces of paper are there, sawdust are there, but only the pins are attracted towards the magnet. So that is the properties of magnet, that iron things get attracted towards the magnet. So from this mixture we separate the iron materials. See here what we observe here, observation. When we pass the magnet over the mixture, iron fillings and pins get attracted to magnet. Pieces of paper and sawdust remain in the dish. It remain in the dish. So what we conclude from that? Iron fillings or pins get attracted to magnet. Hence these are the magnetic material. These are the magnetic material. So that is the experiment. So we can separate the magnetic material from a mixture containing sawdust, pieces of paper. Understood everyone? So everyone complete this experiment in your journal properly. Write systematically all aim, apparatus, procedure, diagram, observation and conclusion. Okay, thank you.